All right, what we got here is a 2014 Jeep something it is. I don't know what it is. What is it? Grand Cherokee. Okay. And customer brought the vehicle in because he said he had a leak around the transmission pan, but we didn't see a leak there, but he said he saw one. We did see where the engine oil may have been leaking a bit and maybe constantly running back, but when we checked the transmission fluid, it was full. However, in the back here, what we see is there is a hole right in the differential. And you can see up there that the gears are all messed up. Now, one thing he did say when I told him about it is that he thought that it was a transmission because it was making a grinding sound. Well, sure enough, that's going to make a grinding sound, and no oil can stay in there at all because it's in the back. I mean, it's right at the bottom. How that happened, I don't know. There is a mark here, right up here. There's a little line right there. Looked like something scraped it, but I don't know if this comes from outside or if something was hit coming from the inside out. Don't know, but this is what's going to have to be fixed here. So we got to take all this stuff apart, all these things, in order to get it, all of it. Whoa, this got some airbags in here, don't it? Yeah, it's got airbags on here. Oh well, let's see. Okay.